Hey guys, this is Josh with Castle. What are y'all up to? Me? Just working. Let's put a windshield on an S14.
Can we talk about us like we care about us? Can we talk about us like we care about us? You say let it breathe, but the pain of my heart can't let it be. We both can agree. Tell me what is the point of nothing burns like the cold days. Can we talk about us like we care about us? Can we talk about us like we care about us? We can let it be, 'cause we live in a time of make-believe. We both can agree that we're reaching the point of nothing burns like the cold days.
Good morning, darling. I see you falling in and out of love. Is it because you're cold and heartless? Or is it all withdrawals? Forgotten how to be your partner. That final scene in Casablanca. I guess the heart is like a time bomb. No white horse for you to ride on. Bygones be bygones. My God, you're beautiful. If it was two of you, probably break the first one's heart in two. But second time the charm, I had a dream you locked your father's arm and mosey down the alleyway. I know you probably had a wild day, so you should make your way to
Alright guys, the S14 windshield is done. Complete. Finito. We didn't put the cowling back on because before we got here, the customer had already took it off. So, saved about 10-15 minutes for that. But you can see here, it's done. If you guys have any S13s, S14s, S15s, R32s, R33s, R34s, and you need some glass work done, let us know. Castle. Peace out.
Cold days.